follow-up to my last video about getting diesel fuel at truck stops. The way to get to the truck stops category, yeah, it takes a lot of steps. That's right there. Is there a way to do this so I can just go to where to and then hit truck stops? Yes. Yes, you can do this. I believe all the way from the nuvi 2597 to the present models for the Garmin DriveSmart 66, 76, and 86. You can do this on the automotive models. Now I have a grocery stores category here. It's the same thing. Now if you have all the icons here, this is a DriveSmart 50, by the way. On other models you'll see categories here. I have it as an icon here already. Anyway, if it's all filled up and you want to add a shortcut, I just go down and I can add a shortcut from here. That is what I'm going to do. If you have an older 2597 or a 2689 or something like that, same thing. If all the icons are here and you need to add another one, you just go down here and you can hit the plus button, or you'll just see the plus button on the first screen. So what I do is I go to add shortcut and then category, go to transit, and then scroll down until I get to truck stops. Hey, there it is. What'll happen is that if you have a bunch of icons here already, it puts it on the next screen. But I can take this, press and hold, and then drag it up a row, and now it is on the first screen. So if I'm viewing the map and I need to find a truck stop quick, back where truck stops, 3 taps, not bad. That's about as fast as it gets. And the first one, oh yes, they sell diesel fuel. I know they do, and so do these guys. I don't know about this one. Pilot, absolutely, yes. So yeah, you see a bunch of them. S&S, I don't know about that one, or B&B, but most of these, if not all of these, if it's labeled as a truck stop, they're going to sell diesel fuel. So now you know how to get truck stops just from where to truck stops. Brings up the category. Get your diesel fuel, fuel up, and travel on.